Yes, so some people are getting stipend to be part of the BBNaija Live audience for the live event, and it's really amazing. I'll share with you guys, some important information like what you need to know for those that want to become audience members in the future. Just give you guys, gist from my personal experience being in Big Brother's premises for a few hours. There's so many things I observed, so many things I want to talk about here on my platform. Why? Because I believe somebody will find this video helpful. If you are going to be an audience member for BBNaija Live Show, please wear comfortable shoes. Do you know why? Because you'll be standing from the beginning of the show till the end of the show. I'm not joking, guys. Please wear comfortable shoes. Make sure your outfit looks very nice on camera. You don't know what angle the cameraman may be focusing on, and if you don't look so nice, you might not like yourself on the big screen. So please come put together. You must not wear makeup. Trust me, just look nice, smell nice, because you're going to meet other people as well, and just be friendly. So if you don't like noise, you don't like chaos, you don't like where people are arguing, you need to gear up your tolerance level, because you'll be meeting people from all walks of life, different backgrounds, different way of reasoning, different attitude, different mannerisms, different way of reacting. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a whole lot to talk about in this video. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glory Rex. I'm a content creator, spoken word poet, movie audio editor. Today's video is very fantastic because I'll be talking from experience, and what is better than experience? Experience, because that is how stories are shaped, that is how narratives are formed, and that is what actually enlightens the society. They say people learn from experience, and I thought to share. So please watch this video till the end. Like, share, subscribe if you have not already. My returning subscribers, this channel is absolutely nothing without you guys. Thank you so much for coming to watch my videos day in, day out. I see you, I love you, I really appreciate you 100. Don't see me for the first time, I'll drop some videos linked below. Please go through them, like anyone that you enjoy watching, recommend the videos as well. And you may ask, why should you subscribe to my channel? I create lots and lots of interesting videos. I like to share information. I like to talk about experiences of myself and other people as well. That's way I believe people learn one or two things. I just believe that you can see the world through my lens based on whatever it is I'm talking about. And trust me, you really love it here. So thank you so much for considering to subscribe. And thank you for liking the video as well. Let us go further into the video. Today's video is designed for those that have the passion or aspiration to be an audience member one day in the live show. I want to say to you that first of all, it's free of charge. Secondly, how did I get to know about it? Apart from the fact that I have friends and colleagues in multi-choice that gave me access to attend the live show, I would also like to talk about the fact that in one of the group chats that was created for creatives, somebody posted it in the group chat that for those that are interested to become audience members for the BBNaija show, they should click a particular link and join to get more information. So when I clicked on that link, I saw other people as well. There were so many people that joined. In that particular group chat, we were told that not everybody will be selected because they want to just pick specific people, and they just want a particular number of people that they want to come for the show. And they told people to take pictures and send to them what they will be wearing for the show, and all of that information and protocol, which is okay. So based on that selection process, I don't think I was selected, but I went for the live shows anyways. I just found my way around it. I spoke with some colleagues. I was just able to find myself there as a live audience, because the last time I went a few years ago to multi-choice to experience what it feels like to be part of the live audience, I went there through the recommendation of a colleague. So they wrote my name at the gate. I just went there and I signed and got into the premises. So that was what happened the last time that I went. So this time around it was pretty easy. So I was at the gates, did the normal protocol, because you have to write your name. They will check you, check what you have with you. I know I was asked if I had power bank, and I said no. I know I saw a particular guy that was on the queue. He was looking for how he's going to keep his power bank, because apparently for reasons that I don't know about, power banks are not allowed in the premises, for guests that will be coming to the show. So that was how it was. Yeah, I went there with my bottled water that was collected for me at the gate. So it is just like, just come wearing something simple, casual, because you're likely going to start from beginning to the end. One thing I observed is that it's good to go early because the show starts at 7. So if you are likely going to be part of the audience members, to be nice that at least you take off and be there very early. But once I heard some people got there at 5 p.m. I know myself, I got to the venue at 6, right? Either to 6 or past 6 p.m. But by the time I got there, the list was already full. There were so many people, and that was the second launch of the show. A lot of people wanted to experience the show as well, so why not? If not, the more the merrier. One thing I noticed about the Big Brother Naija fans is that most of them are easily approachable, friendly. They can have conversations. They're open to have conversations. Some of them have bad mouth, like we say it here in Nigeria. Like they have, oh God, they can say weird things. They are cute, they are happy, they just want to come and have a good time. So from the time I entered the studio till I left, it was just music back to back. The fans were dancing, the DJ was blasting the song, and guess what? The studio is soundproof. You will not hear nothing from outside. So it's fun actually. However, I remember my first reaction the first time I went for this Big Brother Naija Live event. The space looks smaller because when you're looking at Big Brother Naija show on TV, it looks like a very big space. But anyways, it's not bad, but just my over imagination of how the place was going to look like. Time actually flies there because there are no windows, just lights and black curtains. You come into the premises when the day is a bit bright. You're going out, everywhere is already dark, so it's amazing. It's actually a fun experience for anybody that wants to try it out. You really have fun because you dance non-stop, you meet new people. I actually made like 3 friends, I think. Yeah, one of my friends was when I spoke about that got paid, and she was when I confirmed if she had gotten her money, and she said yes. So she got paid for one day, and I'm happy that I have met somebody like that. At least you never know, she's an actor as well. For those that are wondering where is Big Brother Naija doing their live show, it's at Ilupeju in Lagos, Nigeria. How I found my way there, I went to the mainland for an event. I just hopped on one keke, got to Oshodi, found my way around it. I crossed the bridge and I asked people around that, Ilupeju area. They directed me. From Oshodi is not so far. You can actually get there easily. Just ask people to direct you. Tell them you're going to Big Brother multi-choice. They'll direct you. If you want to use keke around that Ilupeju area, it should not cost you much. It'll be like 200 naira. Should take you there. So that's just what it is. I'm kind of happy and excited that I'm filming this video. Very important, eat your food from your house. Nobody is serving food. Because I know the last time I went for this Big Brother Naija event, I was given Aquafina water, but this time around that I went, I wasn't given any water. I don't know why, but maybe water will be provided. But for the time I went, there's no water at all. And guess what? Get ready to shout. You're going to be shouting, hey, 1, 2, 3, applaud! You applaud, hey! It's another vibe, trust me. Nobody can explain it so much to you unless you go and experience it yourself. It's a different atmosphere. If you are going there on a live show day, as you're getting close to the Big Brother, you see people on a queue, or you see something like that's Mnet. So once you see that already at the venue. Another thing I like about the audience is the on point bass that you get right there and then, because it's so amazing. Like you just be hearing people giving their own banter like there and then, and it's always so cute. You're going to have a very good laugh if you don't know. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Be rest assured that I'll come back with updates here and there, because I plan to explore other aspects of this whole Big Brother Naija fan base. Yeah, Big Brother Naija event, Big Brother Naija contestant, and it keeps getting better. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. My name remains Glory Rex. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye. And always know whatever you do,